Assalamualaikum dear viewers, welcome back viewers. Today we will discuss about contribution of Muslim scientists in the field of biology. So let's start. Muslim scientists and philosophers had a dominant influence on the scientific and social horizons of the world. Their views were highly respected and taken as authority. Some of famous Muslim biologists are Jabir bin Hayyan, 721 to 815 AD, date of birth and death. He was born in Iran and practiced medicine in Iraq. Second is Abdul Malik Asma'i, 740 to 828 AD. He was the first Muslim scientist who studied animal in detail. Third, Bu Ali Sina, 980 to 1037 AD. He was honored as a founder of medicine and called Arisina or Abu Sina in the West.